Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Today, we're going to go over the slideshow and the activities you're going to do for your Tuesday reading and social studies. So, let's get started. If you clicked here, then you are watching this video. Make sure you are reading every day and your learning goal. The students will use similarities and differences in texts to explain the production process. So, your success criteria for reading: the student can retell key details after reading an informational text. The student can determine the main topic after reading an informational text. The student can identify key details that support the main topic of the text or two different texts on the same topic. The student can identify similarities and differences in illustrations, procedures, descriptions of two texts. And your success criteria for social studies: the student can give examples of natural and human resources used in production, such as making butter, making ice cream, and building houses. The student can describe the skills people need for their work in the home, school, and community. All right, your essential question for today: how does the production process work? Today, we will read a text about how ice cream is made in order to compare and contrast two texts about the ice cream making process. Don't forget about your end goal. This is going to be at the end of this learning experience. You are going to create a poster of the ice cream making process and all of the good stuff that goes along with it. We went over that yesterday, and I will be going over that again once it is time to do it. All right, and then today you get a fun read aloud from me. And this read aloud has a little extra information in it. It's going to talk about the ice cream making process, but it's also going to talk about the history of ice cream. So I want you to think about that while you're listening. How is the specific ice cream making process, and how is this text different and the same as the other text? Because, spoiler alert, today you are going to be comparing the two texts we read. So you're going to think about From Cows to Cone, and you're going to think about Ice Cream by Gail Gibbons. And then you're going to think about how are they similar and how are they different. Use the Venn diagram provided in Google Classroom or in your packet to compare and contrast the two texts. All right, so let's go to Google Classroom. You're going to go to ELA 62 Ice Cream Venn Diagram. And per usual, I have the titles already there for you: From Cows to Cone and Ice Cream by Gail Gibbons. And you have to give me two differences for each text and two similarities. How are the texts the same? How are they different? Okay. So, should be pretty easy. I already have the text boxes for you. Really, not too much anything new here for you. You should know what to do. All right. And then that is it for today. Remember, if you need to go back to your other text to remember some pieces from it, you can do that. Just go to the Monday slideshow and re listen to it, or you can reread it on your own. Don't forget about that part because you do need to have your brain kind of fresh with both texts. All right, have a great, great Tuesday, and I will talk to you tomorrow for your Wednesday slideshow video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.